back to my channel. I'm Kill Plays, and today I'm showing you how to custom make your own wallpaper. Here's mine. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got the nice pictures, everything. Very aesthetic background for my name. Kill Plays. Make sure you subscribe to this person. They're awesome. I'm just kidding. You can subscribe if you want to. Yeah. That's cool. It's cool. I'm just kidding. So let's go and get our slide here. So you're going to want to get... Okay, here's what you got to do, I think. You got to think. How do you get rid of these? Okay, yeah, so you got to click that. And then delete. Awesome. So now choose your favorite color. So say your favorite color is cyan. Or I recommend custom creating your own. Awesome. Okay, so let's just get a headboard here. Say your another favorite color is, no, just keep to the same color. Cyan background. So now you're gonna look in here for some cute cyan backgrounds. Okay, so you find this one that you really like. You're like, okay, so I'm gonna do that. And then you got to, hold on, how do I, no. I was just trying something. Oh God, this thing's gonna die. Please bear with me. I got the charger in time. Okay, we're all okay, people. That was stressful. Okay, awesome. So now, no, not the text box, word art. Say your nickname is Bree. And that's the name that you like and want. Then you put that there and you can change the color. Next, you want to go scrolling through some images. B. Okay, now you're going to get a text box. Okay, now go up here and select 36. Now you want it to be a little bit fancy. So you're gonna do wallpaper to see if that works. Me. Mo. No, me. No. Me clip art. Please have something. Me. No. Okay, looks like we're just going neck. No, me. I'm so bad at this stuff. Me. So that's just one of the designs you can do. I'll show you guys another one that I like. Here it is. It says, if you were reading this, it means that you should get off my phone. That's right, I'm everywhere. Oh man, that's awesome. I love it. Let me make you guys one or two more. Here is one more. This one, oh, hold on. This is the last one, but then you can insert your photo here, everybody. But anyways, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you are enjoying your day, and please remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Just have a wonderful day. I don't really care. Just goodbye.